Hi guys, today we will be watching a video about tractors. It is all about tractors, so please enjoy. So this is the driver of the tractor, and this is a tractor. So, moving on. These are the blocks that we are going to put on in here. So, let's start at the beginning. Like I said, that was the driver, right? Yes. So, the driver will go in here. Oh, oopsies. See if I can put it in the right place. There. It went in the square place where the driver goes. So it could move with the wheels. Also, this is a tractor. I just love the texture on the wheels because they're extra bumpy, which is uber cool. And instead of the tractor, it says Fun Time Farm. I don't know why, but so that's where the air or heat comes out. I don't know. But yeah, I was just curious. So these are the blocks that we will be putting in here. So this is the first block I'll be putting in here. Okay, so we fit all the blocks in there. Also, the texture on this wheel and this wheel is different. These have bumps on them, and these have kind of like lines, which is really bumpy, and this is really smooth. So, the same thing on this side. So, yeah. But, how will we attach it? You see something here, and you see something here. But, on the tractor, it has nothing in the front. But what do you think is in the back? Please comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay, so this will hook up with this. Let's see what I can do. There you go. I just gently put that in. That's that simple and that quick and easy. And then this is the trailer moving. Woo! That went really fast that time, didn't it? Yeah. So let's move back. Ooh. And let's go again. Whoa! That went really far. That tractor trailer moved very far. Okay. So let's go over here and check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. And the next video will be about cars, different kinds of machines, and robots. And I will be having a special helper. His name is Ashton, and he is my little brother. And now on, we'll be doing videos with each other because we are a family, we are a team, and we never do something without each other. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now remember, subscribe or comment down below. Bye!